Hello, I'm back. Yes, now we hit into a slight problem the other day with the old cattle box. We had a puncture, not good, and it did have cattle in it at the same time. So I'm going to show you guys how I change them, and without getting the tyre fitter out. It can save money and time.
We were youngsters on the junkyard. Now we are stone mines full of jungles. But I feel your heartbeat just like mine. I feel your heartbeat all the time. And we were bound to the city life, flashlights when we fall into
Speed breaker.
focused on what you feel. Just when you were calling a love that day. And we were bound to the city life, flashlights when we're falling into that night. Focused on what you feel. Just when you were calling a love that day. I.
Now is checking for any holes, and straight away I found one, so it's going to need a patch on it. This is the stuff we use. It's brilliant. We've used it for years and it's always worked. So what I'm going to do now is where the hole is here, that circle there, paint some of this on, put plenty on. Once the patch is on like that, use a roller and roll it in hard. I've managed to do the cattle box now. It's the day after of the night before that I was doing it. the camera that I was filming with ran out of battery, and it was getting late at night as well, so I thought I'd leave it to the next day to do it. It's up, and it's still up, so I'm happy. So we always like to keep our cattle box up together, as you never know when you might have to use it. If there's a problem in the field anywhere, you know you can just rely on it and go pick something up quickly. And we've managed to get our mower back now, so all good. And I'll just show you a little quick video of it all welded up. So as you can see, it's not split in half anymore. Yes, this welding all round here is bad, but that was all welding that was done before, and it's still on there structurally, so we left it how it was. But all in here is all done, and like I said, it is only a mower for bashing around on the reeds and stuff like that, so it's nothing that this can't really do. It's not going to do 100 acres mowing, so it is what it is at the end of the day. Saves having a fork out on a topper at the moment, so this would have to do. But one thing that is next to this, which you might like, and it needs a bit of work to it, is this bad boy. It's a Ford 6710 with a loader. It's been so good for so many years, this tractor. So good. So we hope to get this all done in the winter, maybe put a clutch on it. It would be nice to refurbish it, but it's not quite there. It needs quite a lot of attention. But I know these things people do like, and this was our main tractor for years, so it's nice for it to have a bit of a rest period. I'm just on the way to pick up 4 animals. They've eaten where they're to now, and they've eaten it down quite a bit, so got to take them back to the farm. One of them's quite close to calving, and the other one's probably a bit further away. They're out of the block, so they are a bit of a pain. Other ones that are out of the block, which aren't probably going to calve for a while, we're probably going to have to end up getting rid of, as it's not worth keeping them, as they are heifers and they still haven't calved. And they've been to 2 different bulls. They've been running with the bulls last year long enough that they should have got in calf, so we're not going to mess about with them anymore. It's time now to say that I'm thinking of also doing a little talk basically on different systems, whether it's dairy or beef or arable. And I know some of you dairy guys are massive into your robots and big into your bigger parlours, this, that and the other, and I just want a different variety to show people. So I want to see if I can do that as well as showing you stuff on my farm and the other farm I work on in Dorset, just to get a bit more variety for the old YouTube. So that could be coming in the future. Well, this is a bit bumpy, this road. So I just moved this little fella and these few and this little paddock. Unfortunately, he's out of the block, so it's not ideal. We usually like to keep a nice tight block, but there's a lovely little calf, and these 2 are ready to calf soon, hopefully. especially the one on the right, this Limousin. This would be her third calf now, I think, this Limousin, if she has one. Normally our cows calf around February, March time. That's when the main lot normally calves. We like keeping a nice tight block, so you just normally have the calving all in one hit. You might get a little shock in a minute from the electric fence. You still haven't quite learnt what one is yet. There we go. That's his mother. Oh, watch this. Oh, just got a little shot. Didn't really get phased by it though. Hopefully we'll get a good one on his nose. That's when they normally know about it. But yeah, these three are happy now. There isn't a lot of grass here, but it's only a little paddock for these three again. They can just nibble at it, close to the farm. That's what you want. Hopefully, nice little calf out this Limousin. She's a lovely cow, she is. Good temperament on her. If we could have more like that. She's out of our previous bull that we had. That is what he used to produce. He's a very good bull, he was. Hopefully this Angus that we got can live up to his expectations. On his records and on his EBVs, very good. But the calves that have come out seem fine. Just be interesting to see what they sell like. So we can go from there. Thanks for watching today's video. Sorry it's not been too long, as this week I've been doing a lot of groundworks for other people, and that's what else I do as well as farming. So I've only been able to do bits and bobs in the evening and get footage for it. That's what a lot of people don't understand as well, that a lot of farmers still have to do other work as well as farming to bring in the incomes. So you're doing a long hours in the week just to do all this, but we do it for a reason, because we know what's right and we like to keep the farms going. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Much appreciated if you do. The more followers and more subscribers I can get, spot on. Don't forget to watch my Instagram page as well. I do put stuff up on there. Stay well. See you next time. Cheers.